Good evening and welcome to our first official late night sound bath on our channel. I'm so glad that you found your way here. Tonight we're going to be celebrating all the work that we've done this year. We're in a beautiful transition time as energy is revving up going into the holidays. People are starting to recognize all of the work that they've put in this year and the amount that they've released, creating space to be able to go into this next year. It's the year of the horse. We're going to have a lot of power bringing the things we've been wanting coming to fruition. So tonight, during the waning gibbous, as we're going into Leo, it's going to give us the energy to go forward in all of the things that we have been waiting and wanting to do. The time is now to build, and we're using the current creative supportive energies that are wanting to help us go about creating those things that we have been waiting on. So if you have been looking for your sign, if it is that time to look for that new job, move into a new house, if finances work, or starting a new hobby or joining a new community, guess what? You already found one. So let's settle in. We're going to have a beautiful evening. We're going to have a sound bath and we're going to draw some cards. So join me. For tonight's card reading, I wanted to use 2 decks because, let's be honest, we can use all of the support that we can have, right? And so I have been asked by my guides a lot lately to be included in the journey, so we are going to break out the Ask Your Guides deck. It's an oracle deck by Sonia Choquette. And it is a guidebook that is focusing on personal guidance from our divine helpers from the other side. So I was really excited. This is one of my newest additions. Our card tonight is the Teamwork card, Helper Guides, focusing on triumph, leadership, success, and accomplishment. The message of this card is to share the glory. For the second deck, it's one of my favorite decks, and it just felt right, especially for this time of year, as we're reflecting, releasing, and inviting. So it is the Alana Fairchild Sacred Rebels deck. It is one of my favorite decks that I use all of the time. And our card that we are using tonight is, what do you feel? What do you feel? Have you thought about it? In this particular card, we are needing the message of we are getting caught up in too many things. I just love these 2 particular cards tonight, especially for the season that we're in. We're reflecting on the things that, we're gracious that it swept into our lives to give us the lessons that we needed to, but we are so grateful that we are no longer needing it because we have grown and expanded. And our guide oracle deck is a beautiful reminder that we oftentimes have more than just ourselves that have gotten us as far as we have, whether it be our spiritual team, our family, our friends, the positive ones that support all of our love and light. And it is a reminder that we do not get the success and we do not build beautiful lives alone. We were not meant to be single beings. We need community, we need loved ones. And so it's always a beautiful reminder to have that. And our Sacred Rebels deck, about what do you feel? This is such a beautiful message to come across right now because we are at that time where we are getting to make those choices. We are getting to have the crossroad moment where we are making the decision for us, and we are doing it with joy. We are following the joy. And this is what this card reminds us of, is that as long as we do everything with love and joy, we are doing everything in alignment with what our soul came here to do. So if you have been feeling weighed down, if you have been questioning if you are on the right path for yourself, let this be your sign that if you've been excited about something new to do, if you've been a little nervous to jump and just make that choice, do it now. If it sparks any kind of joy in you, follow that joy because you can't ever go wrong. Have a great evening, my friends. Thank you for joining me. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, share, follow, do all of the things. Follow us on Instagram at bloom_wild_collective. And we'll see you next time.